AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 offline working system. If you don't have a stable internet connection or you want to get your data from the client computer at the end of the day, you can use our offline module. To use the module, it must be in your license. Now, let's see how to use the offline module. Click Company Records from the admin menu. Check the Enable to Use Offline Mode option in the company record where you want to activate the offline module. You can send and receive data manually in the offline module, or you can have this process done automatically via the control panel on the server computer. For this, click the Offline Settings button from the Offline option in the Other Processes menu. You can determine how often the data will be sent with the minute setting you specify in the Automatic Data Sending field. You can activate the Use Automatic Data Retrieval System feature and choose the tables to be automatically retrieved from the Tables section. To send and receive data from the client computer, you must create a user for your offline computer or branch. You must authorize the user you created to use offline. You should create a counter so that the received and sent data doesn't cause confusion based on branch or user. For this, open your ERP program. From the admin menu, click on the Counter Transactions and Counter Definitions button. Create a counter to be used offline from all counters listed in the left part of the window opened for your user. Give user authority to your offline user by clicking the counter you created. These were the things that should be done on the server side for the offline module. Now let's make the necessary settings on the client side. Unlike the client working online, the control panel must be installed on the client computer that will operate offline, as it was installed on the server. Open the control panel on the client computer. Check the Use in Offline Mode option on the login screen. Click the Other Processes menu and click Receive and Send Data from the Offline field. You can manually send and receive data from the window that opens. For the settings made on the server computer to be valid on the client computer, you must perform the connect operation. Type the local or external IP information of the server computer in the host IP field according to your connection type. The port field represents the working port on the server computer. Enter your user information and click the Connect button. After performing the connection process, click the Receive Data button. The duration of the process may vary depending on the size of your data and your internet connection. When you see the transaction completed text, the transaction will be completed. Assign your counters to your users in the WOLVOX program you will use. To send the data you entered in the client computer into the server, when you click the Connect button in the Receive and Send Data window, the Send button will be activated. Click to send the data. When you see the process completed text, the process will be completed.